Dear students, let us begin today's class by asking the blessing from the Almighty. So let us continue with the chapter 5. Today is the last lecture, understanding the elementary shapes. Understanding chapter 5, understanding the elementary shape. And today we will discuss about quadrilaterals. What is quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals means a quadrilateral is a polygon with the four sides. A polygon with the four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is called a quadrilateral. And next one is rectangle. Rectangles, these opposite sides are parallel and all these angles 90, 90, and these two sides are equal and these two sides are parallel and also equal. Then square, of course. What is square? And all the four sides are equal. Then square, what is the importance? In a square, all four sides are equal. Third one is square, S-Q-U-A-R. Square में all four sides are equal. A, B, C, D. A, B equal to B, C equal to C. And also these four angles 90 degree each. 90. Okay? So that is. Then comes parallelogram. Parallelogram means, what is parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel. Parallelogram. A, B, C, D. These two sides are parallel and equal. And it is not compulsory. This is 90 degree. Angle 90 degree होने का compulsory नहीं है. लेकिन opposite side parallel and equal. Next one is rhombus. R-H-O-M-B-U-S. Rhombus is a parallelogram, but all the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. Now, different types of polygon and trapezium, and another one is trapezium. Trapezium also there. What is trapezium? A quadrilateral in which pair of two opposite sides are parallel. Pair of two opposite sides are parallel. That is trapezium. And this page number 170, the figure is given. A polygon with three sides. That is triangle. A polygon with the three sides. That is triangle. A polygon with the four sides quadrilateral. With five sides pentagon. 6 sides hexagon, 7 sides heptagon, 8 sides octagon, 9 sides nonagon, and 10 decagon. Okay, so this table is very important. So memorize this table. A polygon with the 3 sides is called a triangle. A polygon with the 4 sides is called a quadrilateral, and polygon with the 5 sides is pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, and 7 heptagon, 8 octagon, 9 nonagon, and 10 decagon. So please complete the table, and also please complete the exercise. Now page number 108, 3-dimensional figures. 3-dimensional figure. Ball, tennis ball. 3-dimensional figure. Duster is a 3-dimensional. Length, breadth, or height. Length, breadth. This also a 3-dimensional. Tennis ball. Okay. 3-dimensional figure. Now this is chalk, cylinder. Cylinder. Height and circular region. So also डाइस जो हम सांप सीढ़ी कहते हैं उनका जो कोइन डाइस, वकस, मैचेस बॉक्स, ये सब 3-dimensional figure. Then what are the edges? Now this is, this is also a cuboid. All these sides are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, ये सब sides are there. Our textbook also is a cuboid shape. Sides and edges and corners and everything is there. Then see, this is called a prism. देखा ना, this is what we call a prism. And this all 1 2 3 4 5 bottom side and this is top tip of this prism. Okay, prism. Okay, and a pyramid is a shape with a single base. It's just like in a single base. I have told you, na? This is single base, just like a pyramid prism. And here also the sides and vertex are there. See, 1 2 3 4 and all the sides are there. You can see. Okay, then cylinder, cone. What is cone? Have you seen cone? Ice cream cone. What is cone? आपने तो ice cream cone खाया होगा ना? So this is the shape. Cone का cone, different cone. What is that cone? ठीक है, this is just like the shape of the cone. This is perpendicular height, this is slant height. This is basis of the circular form. Sphere, second one is sphere. What is sphere? S-P-H-E-R is sphere. Sphere, ball, tennis ball, football, basketball, our globe, ये सब sphere shape. ठीक है. Then cylinder. Third one is cylinder. This is the perfect example. No? Round shape. This is height, and both these two sides are circular shape. Both these types are a circular shape, and this is called a new chalk. It's just like a cylindrical shape. Then cuboid. देखो ये क्यूबॉइड है ना, इधर भी इसमें भी है. देखो ये क्यूबॉइड शेप है ना, स्पॉन्ज, इसमें लेंथ है, ब्रेड्थ है, हाइट है ना, क्यूबॉइडिकल शेप. एंड दिस बॉक्स आल्सो इज ए क्यूबॉइडिकल शेप. इसमें लेंथ भी है, ब्रेड्थ है और हाइट है. क्यूबॉइड. एंड लास्ट वन इज व्हाट वी कॉल्ड द pyramid. Pyramid है ना, pyramid, cone, sphere, prism is called a prism, and just like a pyramidal shape. You can remember this one, pyramid. And another small, this one also cylinder, a small one. Height and circular shape, top and bottom circular shape, and you can call it as a symbol. लकड़ का पीस है, ठीक है. It's a cylinder, curved surface, top and bottom circular shape. So this one also cylinder. Okay. So dear students, so please complete. Do this. All these 1 2 3 4 questions are there, and exercise also given, and please complete it. So with this we are concluding this chapter 5, and the next day we will meet again with a new chapter. Okay, now we have completed 1 to 5. Total how many chapters we have completed? 1 to 5. Okay, so we need to complete 2 more, 6 and 7 before the examination. Okay, so integers, the next chapter, chapter number 6, we will meet the next day with the new chapter, integers, the next day. So till then, complete the note, complete the exercise, and each and every as much you can do it. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.